When you reach this stage where you see everything is just pure awareness, pure consciousness, everyone and everything is a part of that, then I don't see separate images in the abstract painting. I just see the abstract painting, the color, the beauty of it. Then it doesn't matter whether those objects in it, not that they will disappear, they are there. The people are there, the world is still there, everything continues. But it does not affect me the way it affected me earlier. Because earlier I thought I am this body-mind, which is the I, and it is versus the world. There was a I versus you world war. Now I have quit this game. So when I quit from the I quit from the you also. I quit from the game completely. I am simply a witness to it all. Then whatever it is, it is. Then it only becomes pure consciousness at play. There is no specific he or she. That is why there are no others anymore. There is just me, the consciousness at play. The consciousness has projected this waking state movie. Okay, let it go on. The consciousness has projected this dream state movie. Okay, let it go on. The consciousness has projected this absence of waking and dream state, which is simply darkness. I am that consciousness. This recognition becomes the dominant recognition. Then there are no others. The waking thought is equal to the dream thought. How I brush away a dream thought? Not important, not there, does not really exist. Like that, I brush away the waking thought. Not important, does not really exist. Then you have come to what is called ajata. The creation is unborn. Ajata. That's the highest level of Advaita Vedanta. Ajaata, Ajata, unborn. Then you see, oh, the tiger in my dream was never born. It was only an illusory appearance that seemed to be real, that seemed to scare me. Similarly, this waking state was never born. It just appeared to scare me like that. Both become equal. Then you come to Ashtavakra's first statement. Both are unreal, O Janaka. Both the dream state and the waking state, both are unreal. Equally illusory is the meaning of unreal.